Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of vintage equipment restoration. I'll be taking you through my step-by-step process when I get a new piece of vintage gear in my workshop. The first thing I do is crack open the case. It's like unwrapping a time capsule, but before we get too excited, we need to carefully inspect the insides. I examine the circuitry for any red flags, bad solder connections, loose wires, or damaged components. The goal here is to identify anything that could potentially cause issues when we power it up. Next up, I'll check all the tubes. I make sure they're all there and seated properly. Tubes are often a common point of failure and are missing, so it's crucial to give them a thorough once-over. Moving on, I'll check that all the controls move smoothly. If there's any resistance or scratchiness, a little DeoxIT is usually the solution. Trust me, it works wonders in bringing those controls back to life. Before we even think about powering it up, I inspect the power cord. We don't want any shorts causing problems, so I'll test it with a multimeter. Now it's time to power it up, but not just directly. I use a Variac for a controlled and gradual power-up process. Check the description for a link to the Variac I'm using. I start by applying around 25 volts and let it sit for a few minutes. Then I'll gradually increase the voltage to 50, then 75 volts, observing any signs of life. Once I'm confident everything's looking good, I slowly bring it up to 110 volts and let it warm up. This is the moment of truth. Now we can start testing functions and see what needs attention or further troubleshooting. And there you have it, the initial steps in bringing a piece of vintage equipment back to life. If you've enjoyed this journey into the world of restoration, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more vintage gear adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.